How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I install the subwoofer and amplifier without removing my head unit. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it and show you guys. So first thing I did was for the power. I pretty much connected the power on a relay here. I'll pop this off in a second to show you guys. I connected it with this one right here. I honestly forgot which relay that was for, but the main reason why I connected it with that one is because when you turn on the car, it turns on the amplifier as well, because I'll show you what I did with the remote turn on wire. But that cable goes all the way through the footwell, all the way through here, which there was a rubber piece that you take off to connect it through the firewall. I pretty much stabbed a little hole in the middle to make the wire go through and still have that rubber piece on there. And I routed it behind the carpet and passed it through all the way down on the side. And it goes all the way to the trunk. Here it is by the seat belt. Goes all the way to the side under the seat. And from the seat, it goes to the amplifier. Now I have the power cable here. The remote cable, I bypassed it from the power straight to the remote area. And then I have the ground there. And I connected the ground to the bottom here. Actually, I connected the ground to the top. My apologies. And here's the line out converter. Of course, you need to turn it into RCAs to connect to the amplifier. And what I did for the speaker wires, I tapped in to the rear factory subwoofer, literally. That way I didn't have to take off the head unit. This is the only way you don't have to take off the head unit. I know I have wire connectors. I'm going to fix it up in the future, but right now it works perfectly. That's the main way that you can install it this way without removing the head unit, is through the rear subwoofer. Have that all on there. And the best part, both of the speakers work. There it goes with the power connected. This one's still working. This one, of course, too.